This is the back of my new house. It's an alley and it's like 100% smooth. And if you follow me, you can see my backyard and stuff. See? Pretty good house. I like it. So today we're gonna show you how to ollie up a ramp. Okay, so when you go to ollie up a ramp, you wanna, right before the angles separate, you wanna ollie with, and then push forward harder and just right away. And for going down, same thing, but you have to try to keep your balance when you ollie, when you do your ollie, because when you're not landing flat, you're landing more forward. This isn't very steep though, so it's not going to be that hard. Here it is going up. Here it is going down.